The P0139 code indicates a slow response from your Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor. This sensor, located after the catalytic converter, monitors its efficiency. Slow response means it's not quickly reacting to changes in exhaust gases, suggesting a problem. This can lead to reduced fuel efficiency and failed emissions tests. The ECU expects this sensor to respond promptly. A delay triggers the P0139 code. Understanding sensor location is key. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. For V-type engines, this is the side containing cylinder 1. For inline engines, there's only one bank. Sensor 2 is the oxygen sensor positioned after the catalytic converter. Its job is to monitor the converter's effectiveness by measuring the oxygen content in the exhaust after it has passed through the converter, not the sensor before the catalytic converter. While the P0139 code itself indicates a slow response from the oxygen sensor, you might notice additional symptoms beyond just the diagnostic code. Common symptoms include decreased fuel economy, with a drop of 5 to 10%, which can be significant over time. You'll likely see an illuminated check engine light on your dashboard. Possible rough idling may occur, making the engine feel unstable at low speeds. In some cases, this can lead to failed emissions tests due to improper air-fuel mixture. Sometimes, you might not notice any obvious drivability issues, but the underlying problem still needs to be addressed to prevent further damage to your vehicle or emissions system. To confirm the P0139 code, use an OBD2 scanner to read the diagnostic trouble codes from your vehicle's computer. Several factors can trigger P0139. An aging or failing oxygen sensor, which is the most common cause, typically occurring after 60,000 to 100,000 miles of use. Corroded or damaged wiring to the sensor can also cause this code. Exhaust leaks near the sensor allow extra air in, leading to the issue. Sensor contamination from oil, fuel additives, or biofuels like E10 ethanol is another common trigger. Diagnosing all possible causes is critical for a lasting fix. Start by connecting an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0139 code and check for any related trouble codes that might provide additional context. Next, perform a visual inspection of the oxygen sensor and its wiring harness. Look for physical damage, corrosion, or loose connections that could affect performance. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's voltage output, which should fluctuate between 0.1 and 0.9 volts in response to air-fuel mixture changes. Also check resistance, which should be between 1 and 4 ohms at operating temperature. Values outside these ranges indicate a faulty sensor. Check for exhaust leaks near the sensor location, as leaks can introduce false air readings and mimic sensor failure. If all other components check out normal, the oxygen sensor itself is likely the cause of the P0139 code and should be replaced. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable to ensure safety and prevent any electrical shorts during the replacement process. Locate the Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor, which is positioned downstream from the catalytic converter on the exhaust system. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the sensor by pressing the release tab and pulling it apart. Using an oxygen sensor socket wrench, carefully loosen the sensor by turning counterclockwise. Remove it completely from the exhaust pipe. Thread the new oxygen sensor into place and tighten it to the manufacturer's specified torque, usually around 30 to 40 feet-pounds, to ensure a proper seal. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new sensor, ensuring it clicks into place, then reconnect the negative battery cable. Use an OBD2 scanner to clear the diagnostic trouble code. Then take the vehicle for a test drive to confirm the repair and ensure the check engine light does not return. Sometimes the P0139 code isn't just about the sensor itself. If exhaust leaks were identified during diagnosis, repair them immediately as they can cause false air to dilute exhaust gases and trigger slow sensor response. Check and repair any wiring problems such as corrosion, shorts, or damaged connectors. These electrical faults can disrupt the sensor's signal to the ECU, leading to response delays. Use a multimeter to test continuity and voltage. In rare cases, especially on newer vehicles, an ECU software update might be necessary. Manufacturer updates can recalibrate sensor thresholds or fix bugs that cause slow response detection. Check for available updates through your dealer or OEM service. If you're using biofuels like E10 ethanol blends, consider switching to standard gasoline. Biofuels can accelerate sensor fouling due to moisture and acids, leading to slower response times. This simple change might resolve the issue without further repairs. Addressing these related issues prevents the P0139 code from returning and ensures long-term vehicle reliability. Regular vehicle maintenance is key to preventing oxygen sensor issues. Using high-quality fuel helps minimize oxygen sensor contamination from impurities. Address any exhaust leaks promptly to prevent false air from affecting sensor readings. Avoid using excessive fuel additives that can foul oxygen sensors. Consider replacing oxygen sensors proactively around 80,000 to 100,000 miles to prevent failure. By taking these steps, you can extend the life of your oxygen sensors and reduce the likelihood of encountering the P0139 code.